high school good humor. They say I'm out of my mind, standing on the outside, but it's cooler, it's fresher. I like it here.
Hi everyone, it's Sophia. Welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time stopping by, then welcome. Today I'm going to do a Stitch Fix unboxing. This is my first ever Stitch Fix, so I'm so excited to see what's in here. If you don't know what Stitch Fix is, it's basically like a clothing subscription box. So you go through a profile just like you would if you were using like an Ipsy or a BoxyCharm or Birchbox, and you answer all these questions about what your style is like. If you like, I don't know, boho chic, or if you like animal print or floral print or grays and blues, whatever your style is, it asks very specific questions, of course, about your sizes and how you like clothes to fit you, if you want everything to be very form-fitting or if you want things to be very sort of baggy. My personal style is very... I love some floral. I've been obsessed with gray lately. I love like graphic t-shirts, graphic sweaters. I'm basically all about kind of mixing timeless pieces with casual pieces. So I love wearing fancier tops with jeans and Converse. That's kind of my style. And now that I'm turning 30 this year, I've been finding it a little bit difficult buying clothes because I feel like I can't always get away with shopping at like Forever 21 anymore or even H&M anymore because I am not like 20 anymore or a teen anymore. So I feel like I really want to kind of build up my wardrobe and put together some stuff that's going to make me look a little bit more mature and a little bit more like my age, if that makes any sense. So I'm really hoping that a subscription box like this will help me to do just that. So basically it's $20 for a styler to put together 4 to 5 things for you. And if you like what they send you, then you can keep all of it, and the $20 goes towards your purchase. Or if you don't like it, then you can just send it back and you're basically just out the 20 bucks. So I am going to get into this bad boy. You have no idea how difficult it's been for me to not open this last like week. I think maybe I even received it like a week and a half ago. And I've just been saving it for this video so that I could do this unboxing on camera with you guys. So they send you a return envelope so that you can send everything back if you don't want to keep anything. So this is what's on the top. So show you what's inside. So the inside of the box looks like this. So it looks like it has this card in here that says, celebrate with a gift card, searching for the perfect gift for Mother's Day, Father's Day, or graduation. Oh, I see. So you can basically just get a gift card and gift somebody a box, or give them, I guess, like $1 value. And then on the inside flap, it gives you all the instructions of what you're supposed to do. Okay, so the other thing that's sitting on the top is this envelope. So let's see. I think this card has some pictures of what the possible styles are. And there's actually a note in here from my stylist. It says, welcome to Stitch Fix, Sophia. It is my pleasure to style your first fix and to start this fashionable journey with you. Thank you for your helpful profile information. Today's items were inspired by your notes, so I hope that you enjoyed them. I am looking forward to seeing what you think in your feedback, which is a great tool for us to get a sense of your style. I started your fix with the skinny jeans by Warp and Weft. Ooh, these bottoms are perfect for adding a subtle pop of color to your closet just in time for summer. Pair them with the plaid top for an effortless classic look. For some dressier outfits, try the jeans with the off-the-shoulder top by Collective Concepts or the floral print blouse by Skies or Blue. Finish your looks this season with the street-level crossbody and you are set. Have fun, Alexis. Okay, so that's really cool. I love how there is kind of a rhyme and reason to everything that she sent me and picked out for me. So let's see. Then there's this card in here that explains to you exactly what you need to do once you figure out what you want to keep and what you want to send back. And last but not least, I'm guessing this must be all the prices. Yes. Wow. It looks like everything is really expensive. More expensive than I thought it would be, but it looks like if I keep everything, it says that my subtotal would be $312 with a 25% discount, which would be saving me $78 off, plus the $20 credit that I've already basically paid. So instead of $312, I would be spending $214 if I keep everything. So let's just dig in and see what all is in here. So it looks like they package everything really nicely inside some tissue paper. So yeah, it looks like there is a purse in here. So it's really nicely and carefully packaged. Oh my God, I love this purse. This is so me, I feel like. Okay, so it's like a crossbody bag. Oh my God. So it's by Christian Grome. It's a detail crossbody in white. And I believe it looks like the brand is called Street Level. This is, oh my God. Yeah, this is Street Level. It's got the crossbody right here. And it's got kind of sort of like a side flap almost, and then it's got the actual body of the bag, and then there's a zipper side. Oh my God, it is so cute. I love it. I wish that it was maybe just a little bit longer in the strap. Hopefully it's not gonna sit too high on me, but in any case it could still be just like a shoulder bag instead of crossbody. But oh my gosh, I love this. Absolutely love this. So let's check what the price on that is. So let's see. Street Level, $48. That's not that bad. Okay, cool. So first item is definitely a hit. I might just have to keep that. I don't have a good crossbody little purse like this, so I really like that. Okay. So here is the clothes. Again, they are really nicely wrapped up inside the tissue. I absolutely love the look of those so far. So it looks like there's 3 tops and a pair of pants. All right, so I'm just gonna do them in the order that they are in this little. So I'm just going to do them in the order from the top. So the first top is a plaid top, and it looks like it's a long sleeved. I really like the material. It's quite soft, and it's not a really flimsy kind of a material. Like, it feels like this would be really cute even in fall when the weather starts to get a little bit chillier. I really like that. So this is by the brand called Lilis, and the price of this top is $58. Okay, so it says that it's a 1-pocket top, so I'm excited to try this. A lot of times tops like this really dig into kind of my armpit and feel too tight, so hopefully this will work. I do like the color. The second top is by Collective Concepts. Okay, I'm gonna be interested in seeing how well this fits me. Usually off the shoulder tops don't sit very well on my kind of body type, but I do really love how it's got this on the bottom. Funny enough, I'm wearing a top right now that has, I'll show you, that has a bottom like that. So that's really funny that I'm wearing a top that's so much like this. That's definitely my style. But it's got these embroidered little flowers all over it with wider kind of, I I don't know what these are called. Is that called cowbell style? I don't really know much about clothes, which is why clearly I need help. But I think this is really cute. I do love the colors and I love the style. I just don't know if the off shoulder is going to be cute on me or not, but we will see. So the price of this top is $64. Ooh, that is pricey for a top like that. So I don't know. We will see. The next top is, oh wow, that is really, really pretty. But again, I just don't know a lot of times how to style like really sheer tops like this because they're usually extremely see-through. And I never know like what kind of a bra to wear with shirts like this because the straps sit up so high, so it looks like that in the front, and then it's got that little bit of button detailing, and oh wow, that's so beautiful. It's got that lace kind of a detailing in the front, and it does have a little bit of a mesh on the inside, so it's not quite so see-through. I think that is very beautiful. I am excited to see how well that fits me. So that shirt is $54. So it is by a brand called Skies Are Blue. Okay. And then last but not least, the pants. So these are Skinny by Warp and Weft. And it's their SFO Skinny jeans. And oh wow, I really love the way how that feels. That material feels just super sturdy. It feels really stretchy, which I love. My body type, it's like very wide kind of in the hip area, and my thighs are kind of wide too, and then my legs, the rest of my legs are pretty skinny-ish. So I have a very difficult time with pants. A lot of times I will be kind of pulling them up, and up until the knees they're okay, but as soon as it hits my thighs, it's like, this is going nowhere. So I love the fact that these are stretchy, and I really like the fact that they're skinny on the bottom, so they're going to be really cute with like sandals. They're going to be easy to roll up on the bottom as well, and I gotta say I love that color. It's sort of blue but sort of gray at the same time. It's definitely not like any pair of pants that I own in my closet, so I'm very excited. The price is not so exciting. It's $88. So I feel like if I'm gonna keep the pants, I might as well just keep everything else and just pay the $214. So we will see. Anyway. Okay, so now for the fun part. Or the not so fun part if nothing fits, in which case I will hide and cry. But I'm gonna go and try these on and see how they fit and show you guys how everything fits. I think I'm gonna film it outside because the lighting is really good today outside, and yeah. So this is the first top with the pants, and I paired it with my Converse. And I don't know, I'm not that crazy about this top. I mean, it's kind of cute, but I honestly have like 2 or 3 other shirts like this in my closet already. So I feel like it's kind of not worth the $60 that this would cost for me to keep. If I button it up like this, you can see that there is a little bit of a gap over here where my boobs are just wanting to fly out of the shirt basically. But if I unbutton this top button, then it's too much cleavage. So that situation is sort of happening there. So if I wore this, I would probably have to wear it with like a t-shirt underneath, maybe with this open or with most of the buttons kind of unbuttoned. But like I said, I already pretty much have tops like this, so I feel like it's not really worth the $60 to keep it. The pants, however, fit really good. I feel like it feels extremely comfortable. It doesn't feel tight around my thighs, which can generally happen with pants, and it feels nice and comfortable up here as well. It's not really high-waisted, but it's not really low-waisted either, so I feel like it's really comfy. The only thing I don't like is there's quite a bit of like extra material on the inside here, so I really had to kind of push that in there and then press down and then take my hand out so it doesn't look all like baggy over here. So really gonna have to think about whether or not these pants are worth $88 to keep them, but I'm gonna go put the next top on and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the second top. So I changed shoes. I put on these sandals and I put on the little purse. I do love the purse, but words cannot describe how much I hate this top. Pretty much if you make any kind of movement whatsoever, the off the shoulder things right up, and then this gets all weird and bulgy over here, so I keep having to pull it back down to make sure that it stays there. So unless you want to kind of stand like this and not move, then maybe it's a cute shirt, but oh, it is not for me. It is very cute, but I so wish it was just a regular top without all the off-shoulder nonsense, because it is just not wanting to stay there for me. I can feel it wanting to ride up right now, but the purse is extremely cute. I'm gonna try putting it on crossbody to see how it fits. Yeah, it doesn't fit up too high, which I'm surprised about. I totally thought that it would. So the purse looks like this. It is super cute. I think I'm definitely gonna be keeping this because I don't really have a purse like this. But needless to say, I am definitely not keeping this shirt. I cannot wait to go inside and take it off ASAP. So this is the last lace-up shirt. I think the shirt is $54, and I really actually kind of like it. I didn't think that I would because it doesn't have any sleeves, and I'm usually self-conscious about my upper arms, but they don't look too terrible in this top. And I kind of like that lace-up detailing that is on the front, and I really do like the floral print. My mom used to have a sweater like this back when I was a kid that was with this kind of print, and I used to borrow her sweater and wear it all the time. So it gives me that really vintagey kind of 90s kind of a vibe because of the print. So it does have a little bit of a lower cut kind of on the side, which I don't know, I'm not that big of a fan of. In certain positions my bra, as you can see, shows through a little bit, and then the back of it just looks like this. There's a little button on the very back. So I don't know, it feels really comfortable. It's very lightweight. If I'm going to keep anything, I think it's probably going to be this shirt and maybe the pants. I don't know, I'm not 100% sure on the pants because I feel like because of the light color, it makes my legs look thicker than they really are, which I'm not that big of a fan on, so I don't really know. If I keep anything, I think it's definitely going to be this top and the little purse. So I would say that this first Stitch Fix box was definitely a success for the most part. I'm really glad that I gave it a try, and the one that I signed up for is the one where they're going to send me one every single month. So I think my next fix, is what they call it, is going to be probably the first week of July. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for future videos so that you don't miss out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!